Welcome to Simple Training. In this video, I will teach you how to back up and restore the database in SQL Server 2019. In this method, the database itself and all its components are backed up. There should only be one address in this field. Because if there are several backup addresses, it will be spread between them and all those files are needed to restore it. Follow these steps to restore the database. Save the backup file and click OK. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.